Hello, everyone. Back with an IRS tax refund update. Now, as we continue to monitor the latest tax season news, we do have developments on the next round of tax refunds currently being issued. So, we're going to take a look at that, as well as the delays some taxpayers are currently experiencing with the processing of their tax returns, as well as a recent development on a plan by the IRS that would potentially cause significant tax processing delays for millions. Now, as we make our way through another week of the tax season, we do have the latest numbers that show an estimated 26.4 million tax returns have already been submitted since January 24th, with an estimated 23.4 million of those being processed. On the refund side of things, an estimated 8.9 million refunds have been issued, totaling over $20 billion, with the average refund coming out to be a little over $2,300. What we are seeing this week is an increase of tax refunds being issued, with a significant amount going to those taxpayers who are claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit and/or Child Tax Credit, but as well as the fact that roughly 88% of tax returns submitted have already been processed, and those that are being transmitted in batches through the IRS master file for electronic deposits or paper checks. While we see significant amounts of refunds being sent out this week, a number of taxpayers are reporting seeing this message under their refund status results, which indicate the IRS has adjusted their refund amount they are receiving this year. Now, there are several different reasons why this is happening, and the IRS will in fact send a notice stating the particular reason why. However, some reasons this may have happened based off of previous years include, but are not limited to, the IRS having adjusted the recovery rebate calculated in a return, past due child support obligations, state income tax obligations, unemployment compensation debt owed, as well as non tax federal debts, including past due amounts on HUD loans. Meanwhile, other taxpayers are still reporting seeing this message that the return is still processing beyond the normal time frame. Again, this does not mean there's a problem with the tax return. Simply put, the massive amount of tax returns already being filed, added to the 10 million still unprocessed from last tax season, is causing serious demand on the system, and also these returns cannot be processed all at once, but rather in batches. The normal processing time for most returns continues to be 21 days. For those continuing to check the status of their returns and refunds, the IRS system continues to be updated daily during the week between the hours of midnight and 6 a.m. So if you're checking multiple times a day, do not expect any updates to be reflective on the site over the course of that day. Again, you will not see any update posted after early morning. And finally, late developments that, given the ongoing issues, especially the significant backlog of processed tax returns, the IRS has reversed its decision and decided not to close one of 3 remaining tax processing centers in the country. The IRS plan was to close the IRS Processing Center in Austin, Texas, as a consolidation plan to cut costs. However, the center will remain open past 2024, with the last 2 processing centers in Utah and Missouri. Let us know in the comment section below what problem you're currently experiencing this tax season, and if you've already received your tax refund. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.